So in our last video in the Common Twi Expressions series, we got to know how to greet good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in Twi. Today, I welcome you to the fourth video in the series. We are following up on our last lesson by looking at season's greetings. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say and respond to Happy Birthday, Happy Easter, and Merry Christmas. You can always visit our website www.learnakan.com for more lessons. Let's begin our lesson. Happy birthday. Memawo awodapa. Memawo awodapa. Memawo awodapa. If someone wishes you a happy birthday, you are most likely going to respond with a thank you, which is Medawo ase in Twi. Medawo ase. Medawo ase. Or you could use the shorter version, Medase. 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 Happy Easter. Memawo Yesu wusoriye da pa. 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 And to say Happy Easter to you too, or I wish you a happy Easter as well, you could say Menso memawo Yesu wusoriye da pa. Menso memawo Yesu wusoriye da pa. Menso memawo Yesu wusoriye da pa. Merry Christmas. Afenhyiapa. 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 The response to this is Afe nko mmeto yen. Afe nko meto yen. Afe nko meto yen. Let's end with a short dialogue. Ama memawo awodapa. Kofi ene nye mawoda. Na se nne ye bronyada. Ane na se mawoda nsi bronyada. Yo enye afenhyiapa. Afe nko meto yen. And this is where we end today's lesson. Please support us by giving the video a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing our videos. Thank you for watching and catch you next time.